Hey guys, this is Amjad with another tutorial about how we can create a channel on Dailymotion and start earning right away. Well, this is my first time on Dailymotion and this tutorial will really be helpful for those who haven't even created their account on Dailymotion. So it will be a thorough guide for those who want to earn by creating their contents on Dailymotion. Well, I have seen a lot of videos mentioning that Dailymotion has no issue with copyright claims, which means you just need to upload something and it will simply let you earn right away. But in my opinion, if you want to make your mark and create a legit channel, then do create and upload your own contents. Anyhow, click on the sign up button to create your account. And just give your legit email, password, date of birth, gender and click on the CAPTCHA to make sure that you are a legit person, and then click on sign up button after accepting the terms and conditions. Anyhow, after signing up, it will send you a 6-digit code on your provided email to make it confirm whether you are a legit person or not. So go to your provided email and copy and paste the 6-digit code here. And click on verify email. And then click on continue. Now, your Dailymotion account has been created. Now, click on settings and at this point in time, it gives you two options only, settings and sign out. Now, click on settings and here you can make changes according to your need by going to every option provided in the side menu. Now, after making the needed changes in the account, just scroll down a little and click on the Become a Partner button to become a legit partner. Now it will take you to the Dailymotion partner page. Here just scroll down and click on the View Offer button. And by the way, you can come to the same page by scrolling down on the main Dailymotion page and clicking on the Become a Partner button. Now do read the features that Dailymotion is offering under Starter and Advanced offer. And then click on the Register button to become a partner and create your channel. Well, if you want to see some videos whether how to create a channel, then click on Watch Videos button. Otherwise, click on Upgrade to Partner button. And then click on Accept Terms after reading the terms and conditions. Here is the last step of creating your channel. Just upload your cover and logo images and change your channel name if you want. And then give a tagline about your channel. The tagline may be some tags like education, tips and tricks, or a simple line saying my channel is about education or tips and tricks or entertainment, etc. Then give some detail in the description section about your channel. Then give your website address if you want and select your language and country, and you can also connect your social media accounts too if you want. Well, when I was creating my channel, both the logo and cover images, channel name, language and country were the mandatory fields. and the rest were just optional fields. Anyhow, just upload your images and fill the fields and click on the save button. Now your channel has been created and officially you have become a partner of Dailymotion. And do read the DTP terms and conditions for your own clarity so that you won't go against Dailymotion policies. Now here you can see that more tools have been activated. Moreover, Dailymotion will allow you to feature 3 videos, which you can choose of your choice. Now, view your channel by clicking on this button. Well, my cover image did fit to the mentioned size, but the description is right on the image, which is not giving a good look of the channel dashboard. Anyhow, I will surely make some changes so that it won't look messy. Anyhow, after becoming a partner with Dailymotion, more options have also been added to the setting button. Let's click on library and have a look at it. Here you can see the different categories Dailymotion has created for us. Anyhow, let's upload a video. Click on settings and select Partner HQ option. Just drag and drop your video or click on this button to select your video. And write the description and add tags for search engine optimization. And if your video has adult contents in it, just click on this option so that it won't be shown to children. And select the language and category, and if you have created some playlist, just select that here. Moreover, if you want to block or allow your video in some countries, you sure can do that by going to the Advanced tab. And you can select whether the video will go public or remain private, or you can even create password to keep it secret. And only those people will be able to watch the video you will provide the password to. And after completing all the fields, just click on publish button. Now your first video has been published on Dailymotion. Now go to your channel dashboard and refresh it to see the video. And it will also give you a snapshot whether how many videos you have been uploaded so far and your followers and views, etc. And if you want to see whether your videos have been monetized or not, just go to Partner HQ and here you can see that my video has been monetized right away. Moreover, click on this ellipsis icon and make changes if you want. And you can go to analytics to see the stats of your videos. And under earning tab, you will be able to see the total earnings, and the withdrawal threshold of Dailymotion is $100. And once you will reach the $100 threshold, you will surely give your payment method to withdraw your earnings. Anyhow, this is how you can create your channel on Dailymotion and can become a legit partner to earn by uploading your contents. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.